Hi friends, I'll be showing you how to make this rich Ofe Nsala aka white soup in just 4 minutes. So these are what you'll be needing. You need a lot of proteins for this. Let me give you a background story behind this Ofe Nsala soup. It's a very rich soup and it's meant for rich people. It originated from Eastern Nigeria. You will know why I said it's meant for rich people, because you need a lot of protein to make this soup, and it's very spicy. You know, it's a nice soup to eat in cold weather and even in hot weather actually. So this is how we're making ours. On this particular day I was making this soup, I had a training to do as a career person, so I had to multitask. I practically was playing the training at the background and cooking at the same time. Just hear this.
And so essentially a patient can score either a 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, or 1.
So yeah, this is how my life looks like most times behind the screen. I love cooking, at the same time I love saving lives. So yeah, these are my hobbies. So let's go back to making this soup. I'll add my stockfish and dry fish. I use the Mangala dry fish. That's all you'll be needing in terms of the fish. Then this is Cameroon pepper and grounded uziza seed. This is what you'll be needing, and I'll be adding my ogiri. Listen, there is no Ofe Nsala without ogiri and uziza seed. They essentially help to enhance the flavor of this soup, and this soup is very easy. Most people prefer using thickener, but I prefer using white yam because I'm a native girl and I need it in the purest form. I'll be using my Nigerian processor for this, and it came out just fine the way I wanted it. The quantity of yam you'll be needing depends on the quantity of soup you are preparing. So this is called a white soup because, as you can see, we added no red oil or any other colorants, and this is a perfect soup to serve your visitors. Trust me, when I was growing up and we went to visit someone and they served me this, I automatically consider them rich people because this is not just your conventional soup, and you will know how rich the person is depending on the proteins the person used. Catfish was one of them. Yeah, you heard me right. So I just gave you a secret to this. And that is your uziza leaf. You need to add the uziza seed and the uziza leaf to make this Ofe Nsala. And yeah, our Ofe Nsala is ready. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, I really wish you had a taste of this. This was so nice. So tell me, what do you prefer having your soup with? What Nigerian swallow do you prefer? For me, I love pounded yam and I love fufu, also called cassava flour. Some people prefer semolina. So guys, tell me, which one do you prefer on the comment section, and I might just do something out of the blues, like sending you some of this soup. And yeah, so yeah, this is all you need, and it's very straightforward. Lastly, I forgot to mention, you don't want the soup too thick, and at the same time you don't want the soup too thin. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of this, please like and subscribe to Inspired by JI, and trust me, we will bring more of this to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.